Yeah. I'm gonna go and get you some food now. You ready for the food? Look at that. There it is. What do you think? Let's go get you. You gotta get a can opener for you. Where is it? Yeah. What? You want the food? You want some food? Huh? What? Yeah, hold on. Find some can opener. Yeah. 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 Yep. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Hold on. Yeah. Might call Sunita and find out where the can opener is. Sunita.